Assalamu alaikum everybody. So in this video we will show how to set up an Exchange server 2013. Okay, at the beginning we have a domain controller, a 2012 server R2 already set up, and here we have our native Windows Server 2012 R2 as well, which will be our mail server, Exchange server. Okay, so at the beginning I will prepare my server for I will download first Firefox. Okay, so Firefox is downloaded. This is a native server, so we have only Internet Explorer, which is not a good option to use. And I can't use Google Chrome as well because it consumes lots of memory as I am running a virtual machine. Okay, so I need my memory. Then we will add this device to the domain controller. Okay, Pro 365 services. Pro 365 okay, administrator and the password. I have an error here as this is a cloned virtual machine, so I have the problem of security ID. I will change it right now. So this is the sysprep utility. So reboot, generalize, enter system out of box. Okay, so this will reboot the machine. So I rebooted and I joined the domain. So right now we have a server that is joined to our domain properties. So it's ismail1.pro365services.com. okay, so now let's start the Exchange prerequisites. For this I will use almost PowerShell. Almost the job will be done in the PowerShell. Okay, so comments are in this description. Install Windows, remote server added yes. Okay, so after this we will run this command. It will install many features. Okay, all in one. Okay, while waiting this to be done, we will download Microsoft Office 2010 filter packs and Unified Communication Manager runtime. Okay, and also the ISO file. It's 4.5 GB. This is the installation file of the Exchange 2013. This is the main file and the important one, the CD, the DVD. So after this command we will install the filter packs. Where is it? It's done and it's request to reboot, so I won't reboot. I will wait to finish the download first, then I will reboot. Okay. So the filter box has been installed. Okay, and you must restart your system. Okay, we will restart later. Now we will download another file. Oh, this is filter box. Unifit. As I said, the links will be in the description. Installation requirements, media foundation, close. Let's restart first. Okay, let's run the Unifit communication. Next. Installation is complete. Finish. And now let's go to the ISO. Setup, prepare ID, organization name, this is the name, and enter. We are getting this error, this computer required .NET Framework 4.7.2. Let's try to download this as well. I'm installing the .NET Framework 4.7.2 now after downloading. Okay, the link in description. While the installation is done, let's retry the command again. Okay, the preparation is good, and let's now execute the file, downloads here, and run the setup. This is the last update. I forget to update to disk drive. I will add more space and retry again. So I added some space, and right now we can restart the installation. It asks me to install Visual C++ 2013. I just installed and it's passed.